Seven best Meister shopping companies companies to work for. Okay, there are plenty of way to make some extra cash by tracking on a side job, but some of the best gigs require you to have a car, specific skill or expensive requirement such and cameras or computer software. Becoming a Meister chauffeur often comes up as an easy way to make some supplemented income. If you like to shop, what better way is there to make some money than to get paid at shop? The trouble is the Meister shopping is sometimes just that. A Meister, many people question whether it's even legitimate job. If you're curious about what a Meister shopper does and if you need to go out and buy a week and draft guessed to be on. Here everything you need to know about the site has still to finally answer the question, is being my state shopper worth it? What is my state shopper? A Meister shopper is a person hired by a retailer or marketing research company to shop at one of server location and report back to on the overall customer experience. It's one of the few job opportunity in which you can bank on your shopping skills. So how much do Meister shopper make? According Zip Recruiter evokes. So shopper best market IntelliShop market for say service education concept secret software signal Waltroid sincere customer metrics and